So, okay, now we have already finished the data, and now I'm going to show you to use two different tools, which is actually the query tool and the measure tool, to find out some of the information where you're out on the field. So to use a query tool, you can simply hit on it, and you have to do the setting in the first part. Hit the setting button. I'm going to show you the identity query and also the hyperlink query, which is actually also a new feature within SuperSurv 3.2. So enter an identify query. I'm going to select this one, and also I'm going to select all the fields. I'm going to query all the fields. And the hyperlink setting here also, I'm going to show you to hyperlink chart to the photo I just took. So you can see here, I'm going to use the photo, the photo attribute, and also the field type. Okay, it's a photo. Okay. So now you can see that all the setting has been done. And hit the save button to confirm. Now, to use the identify query tool, you can simply open up the tool and select the different feature. So you can see now that all the data will be queried, like then you will just enter. It's a part, and the surveyor is standing here, and which indicate also the photo you just took. If you select between different one, like this one, you can find out we haven't entered any data of it. So if you hit this one, it will also indicate that this one, the land use is a residential area, and the surveyor is bins. So it's a very useful tool. And if you open up the hyperlink tool here, I'm going to tap on this feature. So it will tell you that, will ask you to use whether the application you want to use. I'm going to use this one to open up the photo we just took. This one is actually the photo in this part. If you hit the back button, and you will open up the survey framework. Now I'm going to turn off the query tool, and also I'm going to turn off the track log tool here. I'm going to show you the measure button, the measure tool. The measure tool is a very useful tool you can use when you're out in the field, and we provide three kinds of different measure, like a length measure, or the feature measure, or you can measure up the area, or to measure up a feature, which is this function. I'm going to hit it. And with this function, you can simply just hit on any feature on the screen, like this one. And it will query it for you it will tell you the parameter of the different polygon or the area. And also, if you query on the road, it will query for you, like the road length is around 60, and Tesla with this partial, the parameter is around 600, and the area is around 4,000 square meters. It's a very useful function. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. And the final part is actually the waypoint system. Since I finished the data collecting with this area, with this field, so if you want to move around to the different site, you can simply use the waypoint system as your spatial guidance, because I have already put in the waypoint file. So if you can simply just import the waypoint file. This one I've just put in. We support three different kinds. We support the CSV, the TXT, and the KML format. And so you can see now I have already import all the waypoint, and I'm going to save it and jump to the file extent. Wait a bit. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see that all the waypoint has been shown on the screen. And if you want to move around, it has shown you where you are and the different waypoint. And if you want to guide, you can simply use the guide tool here to select between different waypoints, like this one. We have our customer has some argument with the cadastral, so I'm going to move around to this point and hit OK. It will show you an indicated line as an orange line, and it will show you where to go if you want. Sorry, I'm going to zoom in a bit so you can see more clearly. You can see a little orange line, and also it will show the distance between you and the waypoint, and also the angle, the degree you want to go. So this is a very useful spatial guiding tool you can use to find out your way. Now, thank you with this part. I'm going to move on to the next section, and also thank you again for the video. And so let's see you at the next section.